In the previous tutorial, we have read about how we will find the path using the traceroute or traceit commands. Now we will see if we have to find that our host or our client with where we make request is alive or not in our network. So we have to use ping command or ping swap command. It is basically also known as ICMP swapping. So basically it is a scanning technique which is used to determine, or we can say that it is used to find the host or a client or a node or a system on a network. It may be server, it may be a client system, or it may be a server system, or it may be a computer system or a node on a network which is connected to internet. So ping tool is used in widely to finding the host detection to which is it is also used for finding a remote location or a remote system, or find or a system that is we are finding is live or not on that network. So basically how it is work, it is basically work on a like ICMP protocol. So it is in internet control messaging protocol which is used to by um, used by the ping command to find the system is available or not available on the network. So first it is also used by the hackers also. So it is basically used for finding that the system is uh, used for a purpose like if that system is available or not. Also defines the services like DOS attack or OS detection purpose. So ping is used for these kind of purposes. Nowadays basically there are so many different tools are available. So ping command is a basic to find the live system or find the systems or the node, or we can say that a server, and which kind of server is like that, which kind of operating system is server using. So basically it send a echo message or echo request, we can say that. So echo request is sent to the system which we want to communicate, and it is basically send back the response of that echo request. So we will find that the system is available, presently available on the network. So if system is not sending any response, it means it is not a live system and we cannot communicate with that system. So we will see a live demonstration about that, how it is work. So let's check it out and we will see a live demonstration here. So now in this in this tutorial we will see a practical implementation of ping command. So we have to open the command prompt and have to write ping, name of website like .com. Okay, now you can see that it is we are getting the reply from, and we are also getting the addresses where we getting the reply of that. So here we can see that the ping static here, the number of packet are sent, number of received, or we how many packet we have lose. So here it is 0% loss. So we have communication with google.com, and it is the all detail here. So if we have to use like backtracking our own system, so we can use our IP address. So for example, if I'm randomly use some IP address which is not working, for example we can use here the IP addresses as a form of number also. So let's do one thing, we will try IP address which is not present, so we will use ping. Okay, now we will give any random number like 262.33 dot 192.103. Okay, so here request could not find because we have used a random IP address, the site address is not present. So instead of using the name of that, like ping dot, so if we are using the ping command for YouTube, we are also getting the reply here, and we are receiving that it is a live. We are getting the because the system is live here. Okay, now if we using the web tracking system for our own website, so we will using ping command 127.0.01. so we are also getting the data. It is the back loop command which is used for our own system. So you are getting the reply, it means the system is live and we are getting the information about that system. We are getting the data and the time frame here, TTL, time to live here also, and this kind of information we are getting using the ping command. Okay, so if you are forget all the command about the ping, so you can use also ping / and question mark. For that also you will get all the commands related to ping. So here all the command which is related to ping. Okay.